Hi, I'm Bill Southern, and welcome to Nugget Shooter Journals. This is the last day of our nugget hunt. Whoops, sorry. Our mushroom hunt. Says, Daddy, you hit me. I grabbed the dog wrong, and I almost got bit. But anyway, looky here. Looky here. There's one. Well, we can look at that one that just got turned over. This is my guide.
I'm Charlie.
That's Charlie. And that's a bolete, my friends.
Yeah, these look like really good ones.
Fresh. Look at that. Look at the underside. See how it has no gills? Okay, that's important, especially if you're new to mushroom picking. Don't eat anything with gills unless you're with an expert. And though we know how to pick mushrooms, Charlie's better at it than we are, but out here. But that's bolete. That's what we're looking for. We scored.
These are
good. Lord, we may have to stay up here another month. Is that right?
It's going to be too wet out at San Domingo anyhow for a while, you know?
Yeah. Look at that. There's Tammy with a big grin. She sees mushrooms. Okay, walking around up here in the flats, not far from where we got the other ones. And look right here. There's some more of the boletes. They're slippery jacks, I think is what they call these, nicknamed. There's a couple right there. One little guy right here. And this one's, we're going to take this one. I think I might leave those other little ones. There's another little one right in here. See them? They're hiding in there. They're just coming out. So Tammy and I are in a quandary now. We may have to drive up here in a couple days and do a day hunt, which is fine. We don't have to camp up here every time. But I'm going to go ahead and take this one and see what it looks like on the inside. Make sure the bugs haven't gotten to it yet. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, this one's in nice shape. A little bit of bugginess. Nothing bad. Oops. Yeah. How about that? Finally got us some mushrooms up here. I'm going to leave these little guys because I just don't see any sense in picking them when they're that small. Yep, after waiting a whole day, or a whole week, screwing around up here, the mushrooms are finally starting to come out in force. I mean, there's little mushrooms and stuff everywhere. And there's a bunch of little guys coming up here. Not something I would eat. Just showing you. And this is the area we're hunting. You can see it's just pines. Oak trees here and there, gamble oaks. And yeah, there's mushrooms here. Alrighty. I was marching around looking for some more of those boletes that we've got. And looky here. These are puffballs. And that's how big they are. And these are edible. You see that nice white inside there?
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Yeah, these are in prime eating condition right now. There's only 4 of them here. I'm going to grab them.
Should they be bigger or that's good?
No, these don't get a lot bigger.
Yeah, you want to get them when they're kind
Maybe
of
about the size of a 50-cent piece is about as big as they get, I think.
Don't be eating stuff.
They've got giant ones that get like this big.
Yeah.
I've seen them on videos.
So, we're having fun with the dogs. And puffballs. Hi there, sweetie. Yeah. Tammy's got one here. I'm filming with 2 cameras.
I ended up picking it up before I cut it.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Thank you. I got it. A friend of ours made it for me.
Yeah,
That's a nice one there, honey.
Looky here.
That's a beautiful one.
Mm-hmm.
See the underside? You're filming with both cameras?
Yeah. Very nice.
I think the taste of these will be very close to the regular boletes, really. If
Never
not,
had them, so this will be new for me.
they're good. A little bit of butter.
Alrighty, we're gonna keep hunting.
I forgot to bring the morels. Damn it! I was forgetting something.
Morels?
I'll be out there pretty soon, anyhow.
Still filming here.
In
You're
fact,
gonna
I may
have
be
to cut
out
that
there
out.
tomorrow morning.
Well, anybody that's been following me for a while knows all about the Tammy yell. And I just got a honey!
Again.
And we came over here, me and Charlie, and look what she found.
Again.
Yeah, these are some more of these little edible bolete species that we are Bolete family mushrooms.
Choice edibles. Yeah.
Choice edibles, yes. And we also have
Hey, pups!
these little guys. And we also have these guys here. Charlie calls them LBMs, little brown mushrooms. You don't monkey with them. There's another bolete right there Tammy didn't see yet.
But that one's too small, I
That's
think.
small. We're going to leave them because we're going to try to stay up here a couple more days because they finally came up. And this could be a huge flush of mushrooms. It really could. And if it rains here, which it looks like it's gonna be pretty good. Look what I found. right by this piece of wood that looks like a mushroom. Check this out. Look at her. Yeah, it does. It looks like a mushroom. But right here, yeah, right here, nice little bolete growing right there. See it?
A buttery bolete.
Yeah, and there's little baby ones around the base. So I'm going to cut this one off so I don't kill it. There's 2 of them in here.
Yep.
Yep, they're coming up. Next 2 or 3 days, my friends, this stuff's going to be up everywhere in here. Check this out. You can see this moving when the breeze blows. This is a lightning strike, my friends.
How tall is that baby?
Oh, I'd say that's a 40-foot tree. Maybe.
Would probably end up right before our vehicle.
You got whacked by lightning. You can see up here where I got hit. And it blew it apart right down here. It almost looks like somebody cut it. But if you look inside, you can see the edges here? This is all blown out. This is where the electricity exited the tree. A lot of people don't realize it, but lightning strikes from the ground up. And you have to watch it in slow motion to realize that. But lightning doesn't come from the sky. It comes from the ground is negative and the sky is positive, and strikes from the ground up.
That's a dangerous tree right there.
Yeah, I know that's hard to understand, but it still looks like it comes from down. But it's what the electricity in the clouds finds something that's grounded just right and just perfect, and the sap's just perfect and everything. Pow! It gets nailed, and that's what starts fires out here. Yeah, we're still mushroom hunting, man. We're having a blast. I want to thank Charlie. He's been our guide on this trip. Without him, we'd probably still be stumbling around not finding anything.
My pleasure, man.
I think it's just been a late year, and the ground's wet now.
I've been watching you for years on your videos.
Well, I appreciate it.
Helped me out immensely.
But the ground here is wet. It's not soaking wet. And soaking wet ground's no good. So we're going to keep hunting here, try to fill our basket up, and we'll split what we find, and we'll go home and eat mushrooms tonight. Woohoo! Okay, here's where we're at so far. We're going to go somewhere else. But look at there. That is a nice basket of mushrooms. Yeah.
It's a strange handle.
Well, most of these are in the Bolete family, and then we have some puffballs.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
How about that? We're still going to hunt a little more. We'll be back. This is great. We're driving down to a different spot, and we go pull it in. Tammy goes, "Stop the truck!" Look at this. They're just growing in a row right here. She's going to pick them for you. Look at this. They start right here. And look at this. They got in a row. Comes over here, and those are underneath the pine tags, as they call them in Virginia. We call them pine needles, but they were underneath that. So, and she's going to pull one of these up and show you the underside. The animals have gotten these a little bit, but that's okay. Can I give them a twist?
Look at there.
Look at that beautiful mushroom. These are choice edibles, my friends. Choice edibles. In the mushroom world, these are on top of the hill. Yeah, everybody says morels are better, and that's true, in my opinion. But these are way up there. All right, I'm going to let her pick these. I'm going to go park up here, and I guess we're still shrooming. Okay, we did good mushroom picking. Like I said, these are members of the Bolete family, and common name slippery jack. And it's Suillus luteus. And it's called slipperjack because if you get them wet, they get a slimy feel to the coating. And this mushroom, you pretty much have to peel them like that. This is one I took the skin off of on the outside because some people get gastric upset if they eat the skin on the outside of them. But they're really good in stews and spaghetti, stuff like that. They're probably not one of the best mushrooms to eat fried by themselves, but people do. But edible none the same and good for you. But Suillus luteus, which is in the Bolete family, and we did pretty good. So this is probably the last pick for us till next year. We're gonna go back to gold hunting, but hey, we got some mushrooms, and it was a lot of fun. And like always, if you like these videos and you you want to see more of them as we explore for mushrooms and gold and whatever else we decide to look for, like, subscribe, and ring that little notification bell. Okay, I'm inserting this. I just fried some of these up, and it's empty, with garlic and pepper and butter, and then I put soy sauce on.
At the end.
Yummy. They are very good, very good. And like I said, we got a nice basket of them. And I already did my closing, so I'll do it again, I guess. If you like these videos, subscribe, ring that bell, and Nugget Shooter out.